Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Merty. If you're new here, to all my old friends, welcome back. And today we'll be doing this Bantu knot, this style. It's very pretty. This is my second time doing this hair on myself. I did it like a week ago, and I had so many compliments and stuff, so I thought I'd do it again to see on this time on camera for you guys. Maybe someone might like it and want to create this one. Is very easy. I did it myself, and in this video I'll show you how you can do it yourself. This took me about an hour to do, maybe less than an hour. I would say 45 minutes, depending on how fast or how slow you are in braiding. This didn't take me more than an hour. I think it took me like 45 minutes. I wasn't counting, but it was super fast. I didn't want to sit on camera and record the entire thing, but I kind of recorded me doing this whole side so you guys can see how I did it, like step by step, and it's very easy. Hope you guys love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. That's really encouraged me to create like more contents and stuff like that. And I would also like you guys to kind of suggest things that you guys want to see on my channel, things you guys want me to talk about. So I'll be doing like the Bantu knot. As you can see, did the side of the hair kind of parted by myself. It might not be perfect or straight. I did it myself. I did the side and I did the back. I'm kind of using like the rubber band magic to do that, because yeah, that's what I'm using. And I'm gonna show you all the products. So my favorite, I'm using this shine and gem stuff on my hair, and I'm just using like a hair conditioner or like a or hair and scalp conditioner. It looks like this. Love this stuff. It smells very good. This is my favorite. But like I have a, this is like, I don't know which number. This is so very good. It's a gel. It's like a conditioner gel. I always get the extra whole. There's no residue. There is nothing. It like conditioner your hair. It's smoothed. It's very good. It smells great, which is a plus. So let's get started. And I have this this bottle. I just have water and leave it in water, so I just use it to like spray my head a little bit, just to wet it out a little bit and smooth it, so I can be able to use the product. So I just put all the stuff I'm using, and I have like rubber bands and stuff. It's like the little ones. It's kind of like the kids kinds, the black one. I'm not sure if you guys can see there. And then I'm using like a big old comb and some clips to hold my hair down. And yeah, that's it. And then the braiding hair I'll be using, I have these. It's called the EZBRAID. I think, yeah. So this is like two of the stuff. This pack comes 4. I think I used 2 before. I have this. And then I have a little bit of like a little hair, just a old little piece of hair. So if this is not enough, I can just use this in the back, but I'll use this tool in the front first, and if I'm out of here before using it. So yes, let's get started. So what I just, it might not be straight, it might not be perfect, so I just part my hair just like that, and then I kind of try to fill it with my hands, and it's a little too small, so I just add a little more on there, just like that. And guys, I just get it. So this, just holding clip so I can be, so you don't join my other hair. Like I was saying, I'll use this one and this one and just get ready. So I just gonna put it between my fingers like that, hold it here. And the rubber band is there. I'm not if I was doing like a single braids or goddess braids, I would say, if I was doing like a goddess braids, I would kind of try to kind of hide the rubber band. But at this point right now, because of the style that I'm doing, I'm not concerned if the rubber band show or not, because once I wrap the hair, like, you won't be able to see the rubber band or anything like that. So, but if it was like a hair that just like a jumbo braids and so the goddess braid, even though it is, but I still have to wrap the hair and stuff like that. So I'm just coming close to show you guys. Yeah. And then what I do, I just put a little more. Well, I'll be cleaning my rug tonight. Just put a little gel on my hand so the hair kind of slide a little bit. And you can see. Because this is like a Bantu knot kind of braiding hair that I'm doing, and so I don't really care if the rubber band shows or if it don't show, but that's how the hair will be. That's how it looks like when I'm it might not be perfect. I'm not really looking for perfect because I will have to wrap this hair anyways, so I'm not I'm just wanting the hair to kind of braid up. So yeah, just leave this because I'm about to wrap the entire hair. And if I were to leave the hair, that's how it will be. It's not even bad, I can just leave it, but that's not the style I'm going for. So now come closer. So what I do is I hold like this. I pull it on the side, hold it, and just wrap the hair around, just like that. Just wrap it around. And voila, this is what I get. Maybe I come closer so you guys can see. Good, this is how it looking like. Really nice. And I'll do the same thing everywhere around, but let me do another one so you guys can see. And I will just keep doing it, but I will speed some part off so you guys can see. I don't want the video to be too long right now. I'm in, like, I'm 17 minutes in, even though I have to edit it and stuff like that. But yeah, very easy. If you have to get up like at 5 in the morning for work, like I do, I have to get up early. I have to be at work at 6 a.m. so I have to get up very early to get ready, because my job is like almost 30 minutes away from where I live, I'm sorry. So I have to get up early to get ready. This is very easy because it's like once I'm up, I don't have to worry about doing hair that early. I can just get up and go. I'm just putting a little bit of gel and braiding. Right now I'm not so concerned about the rubber band. I'm not concerned if it's perfect. And guys, like most of you, if you just learning how to braid and stuff, this is very good because the hair don't really have to be perfect, and then the braiding don't have to be perfect, and then like the rubber band is very easy because you don't really have to hold. And the reason I'm using the rubber band because because I don't want to hold my hair too much, so it's like I don't want to pull edges too much, so I just put the rubber band. So I'll do this all around and I'll come back to show you guys the final result. Got the videos. I'm almost in 24 minutes right now, so I'll show you guys. Or maybe I'll do this entire side and then I'll just do this side off camera and then I'll show you guys how it looks like by. See, that's why it might kind of come up. It depends on how long the hair is, so that's why you have to hold the hair as you do this, so you don't like kind of unfold. And I kind of also suggest, like, you can also wrap it like this, but then after you're done, if you have some rubber band or something, you can put on it so it can hold the hair better. The final look of the hair. Come closer so you guys can see the part. It might not be too perfect, but yeah, I just use a little bit of edge control over it. Just lay my edges down. This is the back. I'm not sure if it's showing, but that's the back of the hair. The back one I make a little smaller because the braiding hair that I had was like all braiding hair was shorter than the one that I used in front. So yeah, it's the mellow. Hope you guys love it. Thank you so much. Bye guys.